You've tried the self-help books. You've watched the motivational videos. You've set goals, created vision boards, and attempted to build better habits. Yet here you are, fundamentally the same person with the same limitations and the same results. I know because I was stuck in the exact same cycle for 7 years. The hard truth is that real transformation doesn't happen through addition. It happens through subtraction, through strategic disappearance, through creating a vacuum where your old identity once was. Most people believe millionaires work harder than everyone else. They assume success requires grinding longer hours, saying yes to more opportunities, and pushing through more resistance than the average person. But here's what nobody wants to admit. The wealthiest people you know work less, not more. They've discovered something the hustle culture crowd refuses to acknowledge. This isn't about luck or inheritance. It's about understanding leverage in a way that completely rewires how you approach work itself. In the next 10 minutes, you're going to learn 7 psychological shortcuts that separate lazy millionaires from exhausted middle-class workers. These aren't productivity hacks that squeeze another hour of output from your day. They're identity shifts that eliminate entire categories of work before they ever enter your life. By the end, you'll understand why doing less is actually the fastest path to wealth. Let's start with the foundation. How lazy millionaires think differently about work itself. Most people operate from a scarcity mindset around opportunity. They say yes to everything, then try to optimize their time afterward. They take on projects, clients, and commitments, then frantically attempt to manage the chaos they've created. This approach burns them out because they're constantly making decisions about what to prioritize. Every day becomes a battle between competing demands. Lazy millionaires do something completely different. They refuse low-leverage work before it ever enters their life. Instead of managing their time better, they design their identity to naturally reject low-leverage opportunities. A millionaire doesn't say, "I'm too busy to do that." They say, "I don't do that." It's identity-based, not time-based. When you operate from identity, you eliminate the mental drain of constant decision-making. You're not negotiating with yourself every time an opportunity appears. You've already decided who you are, and that person simply doesn't engage in certain types of work. This is secret 1. Strategic subtraction saves cognitive energy for high-impact decisions. Secret 2 builds on this foundation, and it's where most people completely miss the mark. Conventional wisdom says bootstrap first, hire later, build the business yourself, prove the concept, then bring in help once you're already wealthy. Lazy millionaires operate on the opposite principle. They start delegating at $0 in revenue. They trade money for time at every stage, not just when they're already financially successful. This compounds over years. By the time they reach their first million, they've already outsourced decades of low-leverage work that would have consumed the average person's entire career. The identity shift is critical here. "I'm someone who doesn't do admin work" becomes true early. It's not something they aspire to. It's who they already are. This means they're not constantly fighting the urge to do tasks themselves. They've already decided those tasks aren't their responsibility. Secret 3 is the psychological framework that makes the first 2 work. Lazy millionaires understand identity economics better than any business school teaches it. Your identity determines what work you naturally accept or reject. If you see yourself as a hustler, you'll always find more to hustle on. There's always another email to answer, another project to tackle, another way to optimize. Your identity becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Lazy millionaires rewire their identity around leverage, not activity. This creates a psychological filter that automatically eliminates time wasters without requiring willpower or discipline. They naturally gravitate toward 80-20 work because that's who they've become. They're not forcing themselves to say no. They're simply being consistent with their identity. Now that you understand how they filter work, let's look at how they actually structure their income. The real game changes when you understand how lazy millionaires separate income from time earlier than anyone else. Most people think the progression is Build a business. Then create passive income. Lazy millionaires start with time-independent income from day one. This could be digital products, affiliate systems, or licensing their ideas. The psychological shift is immediate. They stop trading hours for dollars before they've even built real wealth. This frees their mind to focus on leverage, not activity. Even small passive streams compound into significant wealth over 6 years. $1,000 a month in passive income seems insignificant at first days, but that's $12,000 a year you didn't have to trade time for. That number compounds. By year 3, you might have $3,000 a month. By year 6, you're looking at real money. While you've been building systems instead of burning yourself out. Secret 5 is where lazy millionaires eliminate the trap that destroys most entrepreneurs. Traditional goal setting says, grow revenue as much as possible. Lazy millionaires set anti-goals instead. They decide, I will not hire more than X people, or I will not take on clients that require my direct involvement. These constraints force them to build systems instead of empires. Anti-goals eliminate the trap of scaling yourself out of laziness and back into the grind. The result is counterintuitive. Smaller revenue, higher profit, less work. This is the opposite of what hustle culture teaches, and it works better because it's sustainable. Secret 6 reveals the timeline that separates theoretical knowledge from actual wealth. Most people think wealth takes decades. Lazy millionaires know that compounding accelerates after 6 years. In years 1 through 3, they're building systems and rewiring identity. In years 3 through 6, those systems start producing exponential returns. By year 6, they've automated enough to truly become lazy. This timeline is psychological. It's how long it takes for new identity to become automatic, for systems to mature, for compound returns to become visible. Understanding these 6 secrets is one thing. The final secret is what separates people who know this from people who actually do it. The last secret is the one most people will never implement, which is exactly why it works so well. You can't think your way into new behavior. You have to become someone new. Lazy millionaires don't try harder at being lazy. They actually become lazy. This requires strategic disappearance from old identity structures. You have to remove yourself from situations that trigger the old identity. If you're known as the person who does everything, you have to literally disappear from that role. This feels like quitting or abandonment, and that's the point. The discomfort is where the real transformation happens. Most people avoid this step because it feels irresponsible. You're letting people down. You're breaking expectations. But that discomfort is the signal that real change is occurring. Here's what most people don't understand. Your neural pathways will fight to keep you in the old pattern. Even when you know lazy millionaires are right, even when the logic is undeniable, your brain will resist. You'll feel guilty for not hustling. Even as you build wealth faster, you'll question whether you're being lazy or just lazy. This is identity homeostasis, your old self trying to pull you back into familiar territory. Lazy millionaires understand this and prepare for it mentally. They've already decided that being lazy is their new identity. They expect the guilt. They expect the resistance. They expect people to question their choices, and they move forward anyway because they've committed to who they're becoming, not who they were. The real secret, the one that collapses all 7 into a single psychological truth, is this: it's not about the tactics, it's about who you become. Lazy millionaires don't follow a system. They've become a different type of person. That person naturally makes different choices about work, leverage, and growth. You can copy every tactic and still fail if your identity doesn't shift. The millionaires who actually stay rich are the ones who became lazy at their core. Your first move is simple. Identify one piece of low-leverage work you're currently doing. Ask yourself honestly, is this something my future millionaire self would do? If the answer is no, delegate it, eliminate it, or reject it this week. Don't try to implement all 7 secrets at once. Start with strategic subtraction. The identity shift happens through repeated small decisions, not one big change. Comment below with one thing you're going to stop doing. Your next step is watching the video on anti-goals and how to use them to eliminate the wrong kind of growth.